So here is the kit for the pitted dull skin. What is pitted dull skin? Pitted dull skin is a skin that maybe had acne many years back, that is just left with these little holes in the skin, and usually, you know, pitting, it is found in this area around here on the face. This is the most common area where you're going to see it, in the cheeks, high cheekbones, even up by the temples. But it is someone who's usually had acne in the past that may not necessarily have, you know, the oil activity because they've taken Accutane or something to dry up the oil, and but usually the pitted dull skin, it has to do with the holes in the face that are left as a result of acne, larger pores, and also the dull, the lifelessness of someone maybe not using the right products on their skin. So what are the products that we have in our kit, our dull pitted kit? Is 6 items. It is the K-Cleanser, that non-foaming gel. We want to make sure the dull skin is often, it's lacking nutrients and it's lacking a lot of life. We want to make sure we're not stripping it back too much, so we've got a gentle non-foaming cleanser. You put it on clean, dry hands, massage it into the face, counting to between 30 and 60 seconds, doing circular motions, making sure you're getting under that fine facial hair, taking it down onto the neck, you know, areas well, and really cleaning the skin well. Counting to 30 to 60 seconds is super important because we want to make sure the skin is really clean and ready to accept the products that we're going to be putting on thereafter. Cleansing twice at night is important. The first cleanse, you're massaging it in, counting to 30, taking it off with a warm, wet washcloth. The second cleanse, you're just rinsing off with lukewarm water. And that's really important, to be cleansing correctly the skin. The second step is the healing gel. The healing gel is used both AM and PM after you wash your face. It is a gel that stays on the skin. It's mostly aloe vera. It's very, very healing. And it's just a great base to put on your skin after you wash your face. Mostly aloe vera, as I said, very soothing, just healing. Great for sunburns, great if your skin's a little bit itchy and irritated. It's a really good product. The third product for the PM is the Acute Flavonoid. The Acute Flavonoid is a serum that is dark in color. It has a lot of nutrients in it. It's high in your bioflavonoids, which is, you know, it's things that feed the skin, protect the skin, your arnica, your vitamin C, your mulberry extract, things that really help support a sensitive skin, but feed the skin nutrients. In this case, because the skin is dull, we want to feed it. It needs nutrients to get life back into it. To have a pretty skin, you got to feed it. It's very important. So we want to, you know, we want to do that. We've got to use that Acute Flavonoid, that serum at night after the healing gel. You need 1 or 2 drops. You can even add just 1 drop to your healing gel if you want to put it together as one application on the face. It is a serum. Over top of that, you're going to be putting the A night gel. The A night gel is a retinol, and it is not something that you can probably use every night. So you want to wean into this, using it, you know, once or twice a week to start with, then adding another day is what's recommended, because retinols are drying. They heal the skin. They're amazing in how it stimulates fibroblast cells and just in how it helps with a pit, how it helps shrink pore size, helps with marks on the skin, but they are drying. So and being that the skin is pitted and dull, it usually is dry. So you want to make sure you wean into this, using it just once or twice a week in the beginning over top of your Acute Flavonoid at night, and then you can add that, you know, up that more often as your skin gets better and as it can take it better. The other moisturizer that you're going to want to have is on the night you're not using your retinol is your bee lotion, and that's a light non-comedogenic lotion. So it's just a very light lotion that is you know, soothing and calming, but not anything active. It has no AHA and it has no retinol in it. So it's a really great product, just in help aiding in the feeding of the skin, not over nourishing the skin, but just feeding the skin. So work with that with your retinol. 1 night retinol, 1 night bee lotion, and that's a good way of introducing it. And again, that is applied over either the Acute Flavonoid, your serum. You can put it on that way. It's also the moisturizer that you use in the morning when you get up. You wash your face, you put your healing gel on, you put your bee lotion on, your sunblock, and you're ready to go. So the other item in the kit is the exfoliating mask, and pitted dull skins need exfoliation, and this exfoliating mask can be used as little as once a week. It can be used 3 times a week. You put the exfoliator, you can mix a little bit with the healing gel if your skin is sensitive, because exfoliating mask does have glycolic in it, so it does sting a little bit when it's on your face, and it's normal for it to sting. That's what's supposed to happen, because that's what glycolic does. It tingles on the skin, but it absorbs dead cells, it cleans the skin really well, it has that buffing effect on the epidermis. Don't leave it as long as it says on the tube. You don't want anything to dry on your skin. You want it to just work it into your skin. You can add a little bit of healing gel, as I said. You can have wet fingers and work it in for a little bit, leave it on the skin for 3 to 5 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water. So those are the steps that you do with those items for this kind of skin, the pitted dull skin. This is what you need to get going with that. As your skin gets better, you can start adding more product, but this is the basic kit for pitted dull skin.